I got the elevator geek here.
Yep.
It's Lee.
Yep. There's Andrew.
And look at this building right here.
This is the Keenan building.
It's a nice old historic building, but do we have a historic elevator in here?
Used to.
Let's see if they have a freight car. Yeah, these got modded. Look at this. I mean, look, they did preserve the character of the building, though.
You did?
Yeah. I think only one car is working. See how that one says okay?
Why does it say okay?
Well, it says okay, but guess what?
It's not okay.
It's not okay. But this one's okay.
Look at that clock right there. That's cool.
Yeah. Here's the indicator. Ooh, big bump. Look at that elevator bumps. Oh, you coming out?
Yeah, you're coming.
Oh, okay. Let's come on in. Let's hold the door. Okay, hold the door open if someone's coming.
You coming?
Coming?
No, go ahead.
Okay, send it up. We'll come back down. This probably has the original controller. Oh yeah, it's still got the original controller. Oh wow. These are rockets. Okay, we ain't getting off there. Send it down to 1.
Looks like they're doing some renovations to this place.
Yeah. There's Lee doing his thing in the mirror. Otis Series 1 buttons on an old relay logic controller. ADA phone. Here are on. And here are out 1. Listen to that. I think this may be bottom drive.
You think so?
It may be bottom drive. I can't tell though. And what's these? A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.